Welcome to Best Choice. The best clock parts is probably one of the most fascinating and intricate components that make our timekeeping devices tick, from the grandest grandfather clocks to the most minimalist modern wall clocks. Understanding the various parts and their functions is crucial for anyone looking to repair, restore, or even build their own timepiece, offering a unique blend of mechanical ingenuity and aesthetic appeal that has captivated horologists and enthusiasts for centuries. This video will delve into the essential elements that comprise a clock's mechanism, demystifying the complex world of gears, springs, and escapements. Number 5. Youngtown 12888 Quartz Clock Mechanism. Introducing the Youngtown 12888, the perfect solution for all your clock repair and DIY needs. This versatile mechanism is designed for ease of use and reliable performance. With a long spindle and included hands in 4 sizes, it's ideal for various clock faces and thicknesses. This makes it a great replacement for both large and thick clock frames. The package includes a durable movement with a metal hook, hour and minute hands, and all necessary mounting hardware. You'll also find clear instructions for a smooth setup. For optimal results, ensure the hour and minute hands are installed parallel to each other. Avoid applying excessive pressure to prevent any bending. This battery-operated replacement is perfect for bringing your creative clock projects to life. It's designed for long-lasting functionality and a professional finish. Whether you're repairing an old favorite or crafting something new, this kit provides everything you need. Enjoy the satisfaction of creating your own unique timepiece. What we like. This movement is designed for longer hands and thicker clock panels. If you're working on a larger DIY clock project or need to replace hands on a substantial clock face, this is a great option. Its versatility with different hand sizes makes it ideal for custom designs. What people say. The clock hands are a good size and easy to read. The mechanism is quiet and keeps accurate time. The kit included all the necessary parts for installation. Number 4. High torque long shaft clock movement mechanism with hands. This is a DIY clock repair kit. You will receive 2 high torque long shaft clock movements and 5 pairs of hands, perfect for repairing or creating your own clock. The shaft length is 0.8 inches with a 0.51 inch thread. It's designed for clock panels between 0.35 and 0.51 inches thick. Enjoy precise timing and reliability with its sweeping movement. It operates silently, ensuring a quiet environment without ticking. These replacement parts are versatile. They are suitable for various craft projects, including DIY wall clocks and frameless designs. This set includes 5 pairs of clock hands in different styles and lengths. They are ideal for creating and repairing clocks, adding a decorative touch. What we like. Experience precise timing with a silent, sweeping second hand. If you value a quiet environment and need a reliable movement for various craft projects like embroidery or frameless clocks, this set with multiple hand styles is perfect for you. What people say. The clock hands are made of sturdy metal and have a nice finish. The movement mechanism is quiet and accurate, keeping perfect time. Easy to install with clear instructions provided. Number 3. Hicarer High Torque Quartz Long Shaft Clock Mechanism. Introducing the Hicarer High Torque Quartz Clock Mechanism, designed for your DIY clock projects. This powerful motor is perfect for driving long clock hands. It features a long shaft, ideal for clock panels ranging from 9 to 13 mm in thickness. The total shaft length is 28 mm, with a thread length of 15.4 mm. This replacement motor comes with 12-inch spade hands. The hour hand measures approximately 8 inches, and the minute hand is about 12 inches long. It's a great supply for repairing or replacing broken clock parts. You can also use it to create your own unique clock from scratch. Please note that some parts are made of aluminum. Avoid applying too much pressure during installation to prevent bending. What we like. This option boasts a long shaft and includes extra long spade hands, perfect for creating statement clocks. If you're aiming for a dramatic visual impact with a large clock face or have a thick clock panel to accommodate, this movement will deliver. What people say. The clock hands are a good length and easy to install. The movement is quiet and accurate, keeping perfect time. The kit includes all the necessary parts for a complete clock repair. Number 2. Hicarer 28mm Quartz Clock Movement Long Shaft Repair Kit. Introducing a convenient quartz clock movement repair kit. It features a metal hook for easy installation and use. The movement shaft measures 28mm with a 20.4mm thread length. It's designed to fit clock panels between 12mm and 16mm thick. This kit includes hour, minute, and second hands with specific lengths for optimal readability. The hour hand is 85mm, the minute hand is 120mm, and the second hand is 109mm. It requires minimal power, running for a long time on just one 1.5V AA battery. Please note, the battery is not included. Your package includes all the necessary hardware, hangers, 3 hands, and protective packaging with instructions to ensure your DIY clock project is a success. What we like. This is a straightforward, reliable movement for standard clock sizes. If you need a simple, low-power solution for a typical wall clock repair or DIY project and prefer a jump-second movement, this white mechanism is a practical choice. What people say. The clock hands are a good length and easy to attach. The mechanism is quiet and keeps accurate time. The kit includes all the necessary hardware for installation. Number 1. StFlyBro 2 non-ticking clock movements with 6 clock hands. Tired of noisy clocks? Our advanced mechanisms offer precise timekeeping without the annoying tick-tock. Enjoy a peaceful environment for sleep, work, or study. This set includes 6 different styles and sizes of clock hands. You'll find the perfect fit to match your clock's aesthetic, whether for repair or a creative DIY project. With a shaft length of 7-10 inches and a thread length of 2-5 inches, these movements accommodate clock faces up to 3-10 inches thick. They are suitable for clock dials ranging from 4 to 1-3 to 9 to 6-7 inches. Each component is carefully secured in custom foam to prevent damage during transit. It arrives in perfect condition, making it an excellent gift idea. You'll receive 2 silent clock mechanisms and 6 sets of clock hands. The package also includes all necessary hardware and an instruction sheet for easy installation. We stand by our product with a 36-month warranty and friendly customer support. Please ensure your clock's thickness and diameter match the specifications before purchasing. What we like. Get double the value with this 2-pack of silent, non-ticking movements. If you're looking to repair multiple clocks, create matching sets, or simply want a quiet, dependable option with plenty of hand choices, this bundle is an excellent deal. What people say. The clock hands are very easy to install and fit perfectly on my clock. The movement is quiet and accurate, keeping perfect time. The kit includes all the necessary hardware for mounting, making it a complete package. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.